Greetings. Today's assembly is being presented to you by the students of class 11E. The value for today is driverless cars.
Self-driving cars are the natural extension of active safety and obviously something we should do. Elon Musk.
A self-driving car is a vehicle that can sense its environment and moving safely with little or no human input. Self-driving cars combine a variety of sensors to perceive their surroundings. Advanced control systems interpret obstacles and relevant signage.
Advantages of driverless cars. Better transportation services. The future of driverless cars is likely to include sharing schemes. Self-driving cars incorporated into car sharing schemes could transform cars from a thing people own to a service they call upon demand. Number 2. Better health. Less traffic will improve people's health since traffic jams have shown to cause a rise in blood pressure, depression and anxiety, as well as decrease in cardiovascular fitness and quality sleep. Number 3. Reduced emissions. Global carbon dioxide emissions from transport have grown 45% from 1990. The use of electric autonomous taxis alone could reduce greenhouse gas emissions by 87 to 94%.
Disadvantages of driverless cars. First, expensive. High technology vehicles are expensive. They need a large amount of money for research and development as well as in choosing the finest and most functional materials needed. Thus, the cost of having autonomous cars is initially higher. Second, fewer job opportunities for others. As artificial intelligence continues to take over the roles and responsibilities of humans, we may be laid off as our services will no longer be needed. This may significantly impact the employment rate and economic growth of countries.
Examples of usage. 1. Google's Waymo partnered with Lyft to offer a fully autonomous commercial ride-sharing service called Waymo One. Riders can hail a self-driving car to take them to their destination. 2. Bosch autonomous driving technology makes cars capable of driving themselves in a traffic jam. The system is being integrated into Jeep Cherokee vehicles to demonstrate how manufacturers can help drivers stuck in snail-pace stop-and-go traffic.
3. Autonomous Tractor. India's leading engineering conglomerate, Escorts Limited, announced its autonomous farming solution with the launch of India's first autonomous concept tractor at the exclusive 2018 in Delhi.
If you buy a car that does not have the hardware necessary for full self-driving, it's like buying a horse.
Fully driverless cars are something that is one of the hardest things humans have ever tried to take on.
Imagine a world where you wake up, grab your cup of coffee, and hop in your car to drive to work, except you're not doing the driving.
I think it can change lives and save lives across the board as long as we take into consideration, everyone across the spectrum as we as a society move forward with automated vehicles.
Thank you. This assembly was presented to you by the students of class 11E.
Almighty God, as we gather here in the harbor of your safety, we thank you for fellowship and family. We ask that you strengthen us, restore us, and inspire us with your love. Dear God, fill us with your peace so that as we journey onwards, we can pour our love and grace to others. May God be with us in work and play. Satyam Bhriyad Priyam Bhriyad.